significance of today's event, it really brings together for the first time our industry partners with the students. The Queensland Government subsidised the schooling to a fairly large amount, but there is an out-of-pocket fee that the student normally pays to be a part of our course. So our industry partners have covered the outstanding gap between what the Queensland Government subsidises and what they would normally pay themselves. It is big news, and we're really excited. We know that we've got a lot of hard work ahead, but we're really looking forward to supporting these women as they start their first steps into aircraft maintenance. The good timing with this as well is that our industry is really having a skill shortage at the moment, so there's never been a better time to join our industry and have a job outcome at the end of it.
So this is the first time that they've ever done the FAME program, so it's the first time it's ever been run, and to the best of our knowledge it's the only program of its sort anywhere in the country. So this has the potential to almost double the workforce of females as mechanical engineers in the aviation industry. So Scarlett was a graduate of our school on the Sunshine Coast in 2020. Scarlett always wanted to go into the Cert 4 in aviation. It was a dream of hers to do that course at the end of her graduation, but unfortunately she wasn't able to cover the cost of that course. So when the opportunity came for us to sponsor a position in the FAME program, the first thing we did was contact Scarlett. It's proof positive that the AITC has a vested interest in supporting our young people even after they've graduated from the school.
I'm in the mechanical and structurals course, so I learn a lot about how to maintain and build the structural parts of helicopters and planes, as well as how to do things like strip down engines, rebuild, service and all that with the mechanical side of things.
What is your dream job?
Right now to be a helicopter mechanic. My main goal is just get through the course and do well on my exams and stuff. Don't just sit there, look around to try and find something. Don't just wait for it to come to you.